Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Defy, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically all you have to do is to simply open the recents, and depending what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. So if you've got the gestures just like me, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger up and hold it somewhere here. And as you can see here, we've got the recents. If you've got 3 buttons navigation, just tap on the button with the square icon on it. So right here, if we are on the recents, all you have to do in order to close one app is to find it and swipe it up just like that. But if you'd like to close all of them, just go to the very left and tap on clear all. As you can see, we just got back to the home page, so let's enter the recents again. And here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. So actually this is it. This is how to turn off running apps in your MOTOROLA Defy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave a thumbs up.